Blockchain games aren't anything new. In fact, there are hundreds of them available, many of which have gone on to achieve a great deal of success, with the likes of CryptoKitties, My Crypto Heroes, Axie Infinity, and more having successfully attracted a sizable player base. We have discussed about CryptoKitties and Axie Infinity on this channel. If you have not seen the video, kindly go through them right after this. But to date, we haven't yet seen a game that could be considered a true AAA title with a broad appeal. With Illuvium, this may not be the case for much longer. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is an open-world fantasy battle game built on the Ethereum blockchain. Often touted as the first AAA game on Ethereum, Illuvium looks to provide a source of entertainment to both casual gamers and hardcore DeFi fans through a range of collecting and trading features. The world of Illuvium is inhabited by creatures known as Illuvials, who can be captured by players that best them in battle and nurse them back to health. From then on, they become a loyal part of the player's collection and can be used when battling other adventurers as part of Illuvium's auto-battler gameplay. The game is a fusion between an open-world exploration game and a PvP battle game. Players can spend their time exploring the expanses of the game world or building up their team of powerful beasts. Illuvium has been in development since 2020, and is being built by a worldwide team of more than 40 individuals, including the co-founders, serial entrepreneur and early cryptocurrency adopter Kieran Warwick, and experienced game designer Aaron Warwick, who are brothers. And also the brothers of Kane Warwick, the co-founder of DeFi platform Synthetics. So, how does Illuvium work? Although Illuvium has blockchain-based elements, it is more akin to a full-fledged video game. It's accessed through a downloadable desktop app, but also has a range of supporting DeFi applications surrounding it, including a yield farm and decentralized exchange. Players roam the Illuvium landscape battling Illuvials and other players, participating in quests and daily challenges, and participating in its communal storyline. Throughout their journey, they collect Illuvials, which have a range of characteristics that make them variable in their rarity, utility, and desirability. These includes 1. Classes, such as Empath, Fighter, Guardian, Rogue, and Psion. 2. Affinities, such as Air, Earth, Fire, Nature, and Water. Although its class and affinity are its most important attributes, each Illuvial has a large number of additional attributes that also help determine its strength in combat. Each Illuvial is represented by a unique non-fungible token and can be freely traded on external exchange platforms and the gas-free ILVDX. The game will feature a variety of revenue streams, mostly derived from in-game purchases of items, crafting components, cosmetics, and shard curing. 100% of this revenue is distributed as rewards to those staking the ILV tokens through an ILV buyback system. Now let's look at what makes Illuvium unique. Unlike most other blockchain-powered games, Illuvium features a fully 3D environment, with over 100 unique Illuvials found scattered throughout its various regions. Each Illuvial is designed by a team of world-class artists, ensuring it appeals to players accustomed to big-budget retail games. Beyond this, it boasts a number of features that help it stand out from both other blockchain-enabled games and AAA titles. These include 1. Layer 2 integration. Although Illuvium is secured by Ethereum, it is built on immutable X, MEXC, a Layer 2 solution that is designed to help scale applications with NFT functionality. 2. The ILVDX. Illuvium features a built-in decentralized exchange platform that can be used for trustlessly exchanging Illuvium assets, including Illuvial NFTs. A 5% fee is deducted from each sale and funneled into the rewards pool for ILV stackers. 3. Yield farming. A total of 3 million ILV equivalent to 30% of the maximum supply are allocated to the Illuvium yield farming program. These will be distributed over a period of 3 years to users contributing liquidity and through various partner reward schemes. Now, let's conclude by looking at the ILV token. Illuvium, ILV, is an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain with various use cases within the game and ecosystem. The token comes in 2 different forms, ILV, and synthetic ILV token also known as SILV. ILV rewards are vested for a year, but SILV can be used immediately in the game. Furthermore, there will only ever be a combined total supply total of 7 million ILV and SILV. There are three primary uses for ILV. 1. Players are rewarded with ILV coins for their successes and achievements when playing the game. 2. Holders can stake ILV in the Illuvium vault. Stackers receive rewards in ILV or SILV. 3. Holders can participate in the game's governance via the Illuvium Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO. Illuvium have a maximum supply of 10 million, with a total supply of 7,268,554, and a current circulating supply of about 1.2 million token. With a market cap of about $73.75 million, Illuvium has already generated a lot of buzz, traction, and trading volume. While the gameplay mechanics are similar to other blockchain games like Axie Infinity, the look, feel, and functionality of Illuvium seem to be of a higher quality. Will it end up being one of the first big-budget AAA experiences in the NFT gaming world? Well, I don't know that right now, but feel free to tell us what you think about this project in the comments section. Kindly note that this is not financial advice, but for educational purpose.
Launching a hugely successful decentralized application on Ethereum, but your game is so popular, it renders the blockchain itself almost unusable. That might sound far-fetched, however, that's the story of CryptoKitties, a hugely viral trading game launched in 2017 that allowed users to buy, collect, and breed digital cats. Frustrated with Ethereum, the developers behind CryptoKitties set out to solve the technology problems they encountered. And in the process, they created a new blockchain designed specifically for applications like the ones that they had helped popularize. What is Flow blockchain? Flow is a high-performance blockchain specifically for creating NFTs, massive crypto games, and apps. Unlike general-purpose blockchains such as Ethereum, Flow is built to efficiently scale for potentially billions of people interacting with NFTs like in-game items. Although the new Ethereum 2.0 might have something to say about this, but that's a topic for another day. To put it in another way, Flow is a developer-friendly blockchain serving as a foundation for games, apps, and the digital assets that power them. Consumers on Flow are able to control their own data, create new kinds of digital assets sellable on open markets. The history of Flow blockchain coincidentally begins on Ethereum. Back in 2017, Dapper Labs created CryptoKitties, the world's first widely adopted blockchain game. CryptoKitties centers around collecting and breeding digital cats. At the time of its release on Ethereum, CryptoKitties became so popular that it essentially took the Ethereum network down. Because of the sheer volume of CryptoKitties-related activity, Ethereum transactions slowed to nearly a halt, taking days and exorbitant gas fees to resolve. The debacle led Dapper Labs developers to dream up their own ideal blockchain for crypto games and collectibles. It would need to be scalable to avoid Ethereum-like network congestion, and transactions would also need to be cheap, even under heavy usage. So, how does the Flow blockchain works? If you are familiar with how blockchains operate, then you know that they are generally made up of nodes that store the entire state of the currency's history and verify all transactions. Take a look at our video on blockchain to get more understanding of how it works. Flow is built for speed, scaling, and developer friendliness. The last point is essential because of Flow's aim to become the default platform for NFT creators, gaming apps, and decentralized autonomous organizations also known as DAOs. Flow, by contrast, wants to create many subdivisions of its network to allow the total work to be split across nodes, with each node only validating a subset of the transactions. To do this, the Flow blockchain skips sharding in favor of multi-node architecture. Flow has divided the validation stages of a transaction into 4 different categories, dividing the responsibilities of each node. Collection nodes enhance network connectivity and data availability for dApps. Consensus nodes decide the presence and order of transactions. Execution nodes perform computation associated with each transaction. These nodes do not have any decision-making powers. Verification nodes double-check the work done by the execution nodes. Every validator still participates in every transaction on Flow, however, they only specialize in their specific jobs. This means a variety of people with different computational and financial abilities can participate as a validator for Flow. Flow's creators argue this level of specialization allows each node to participate in the validation of every transaction, while splitting tasks to increase efficiency. Why is Flow unique? First is the multi-role architecture. Flow's design does not apply sharding technology but split roles between nodes and validators instead. The design allows Flow to have the same fast finality and scalability. The second unique attribute is resource-oriented programming and developer ergonomics. Smart contracts on Flow are written in Cadence, an easier and safer programming language for crypto assets and apps. Flow also introduces upgradable smart contracts and built-in logging support for developers. Now let's round up by looking into Flow Coin. Flow is the native currency for apps, games, and smart contracts built on top of the Flow blockchain. Flow token use cases includes the following. 1. Flow holders can earn rewards by staking Flow as a security deposit to secure the network through validators. 2. Transaction fees for transactions on Flow blockchain. 3. Deposit for data storage. 4. Collateral for secondary tokens. 5. Participation in governance. Flow has a total supply of 1,390,757,889, with a circulating supply of 1,036,200,000. And a market cap of $2,180,318,505, while current. For investors, the good news is that to participate in Flow blockchain and its ecosystem, users will need Flow as the gas fees. Therefore, the more projects built on Flow blockchain, the higher the probability of an increased Flow coin price. However, I think blockchain projects have started a trend of creating a special coding language for their platforms, which can actually affect the interest of developers in their projects in the long run. Would actually prefer if they all stick to one coding language so that we can focus on building useful products rather than learning new coding languages. Let me know what you guys think about Flow blockchain in the comments section. Kindly note that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose. Guys, smash the like and subscribe button so we can increase this community. Don't forget to turn on your notification to get notified of our amazing content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.